The future of wind farms lies not just in power generation, but in value reshaping. In Weixian, Hebei, northern China, we deployed 18 Envision onshore AI wind turbines. Built on this wind farm, we brought to market the first interinstitutional renewable energy rates. This means a wide range of investors can participate through compliant, standardized financial products, invest with greater flexibility, and achieve both economic returns and environmental value. On September 30, 2025, the product delivered its first cash distribution. Compared with existing publicly listed renewable energy REITs, the yield was nearly 40% higher. This impressive dividend performance is driven by the AI-powered wind farms underlying the product.
Facing three major uncertainties: market-based electricity prices, power consumption, and major component failures. In Weixian, Hebei, northern China, Envision built an AI wind farm with a clear objective: to generate more high-price electricity and replace fewer major components. Envision also supported the project with 20-year escrow services, encompassing transaction, operation, and maintenance activities. The AI wind farm has several key features. First, the KPI for wind farms are shifting from the traditional energy-based availability, which measures actual Vs, planned energy generation, to revenue-based availability, which focuses on actual Vs, potential revenue. Second, we have implemented a production trading integration model based on trading agents, providing nearly 10 different timescale forecasts, including power forecasting and nodal electricity price forecasting. Envision's trading team achieved higher settlement prices based on weather macro model predictions for high/low wind years. The accuracy of the wind farm's annual and monthly energy output forecasts has reached over 95%. In the spot market, through wind storage coordination, the project increases revenue by 8 RMB per kilowatt each year. In addition, Envision turbines have also achieved three-dimensional power surface control, based on wind speed, electricity price, and power output. During low wind, high price period, the turbine automatically switches from doubly fed mode to full power mode, increasing revenue by 6%. During high wind, high price period, the Galileo Super Sense system accurately senses real-time load across blades to hybrid towers, achieving moderate overrating, while preventing major component failure. The third feature is intelligent agent supervision. It not only provides traders with strategy curve submission recommendations and offers maintenance crews fault repair guidance, but also, through coordinated efforts that consider electricity prices and wind conditions, supplies operation teams with suggested scheduled outage windows, reducing annual downtime losses by 4 RMB per kilowatt. After 9 months of operation, the project has achieved an equivalent full load hours of over 1,800 hours, with the site energy availability exceeding 99% and a revenue availability rate above 95%. And the average electricity price is 0.15 RMB per Q higher than the market average.
Starting with the Weixian project, Envision will continue to explore financial innovations in green infrastructure. We aim to promote a healthy cycle for China's wind power industry, foster the securitization of green assets,